Hi and welcome to the Mani Blueprint channel, where I teach you how to create gorgeous manicures like this. If you are tired of flimsy nails that constantly chip and in a never-ending cycle of having to get them redone, I am here to change the game for you. Like anything, preparation is key, and here is everything that we are going to remove in our manicure today. I have already removed her previous set, so it is time to begin our manicure. So step 1, we go in with our cuticle loop. This is the holy grail when it comes to manicure tools, and to be honest, for me, this is the only tool that will change your manicures. I use a cuticle loop to effectively remove dead skin from the nail plate and clean the cuticle area. This tool is more effective than a standard pusher as it pulls away debris rather than pushing it into the cuticle area, leaving it clean and more prepared nail surface for application of product. Your cuticle is a translucent thin layer of dead skin at the base of your nail that acts as a barrier. After removing your cuticle from your nail bed, I go in with a 240 grit sanding band. I like to use a mini sanding band just because it's lighter and you can get proper close to your cuticle just to etch your nail bed ready for application. So today we'll be using Fancy BIAB from the gel bottle. This BIAB is a 6-in-1 product which combines primer, base coat, strengthener, builder and colour all in one bottle, which means you can just apply and go. So I go in and I apply my slip layer first and then my bead of product and float it down my client's nail bed. I will then go in with my fine liner brush just to perfect all around the cuticle and push it nice and close to the side walls to make sure my client's whole nail is fully covered. This product also is self-leveling, so it will self-level like a dream. So I'm just going to show you again on the index finger. I first go in with my slip layer and then a bead of product and float it down my client's nail. I will then grab my fine liner brush and do the same, tuck it nice and close to my client's cuticle and nice and neatly down my client's side walls also. This BIAB is actually of medium viscosity, which means it is very easy to maneuver around your client's nail bed and also helps with the self-leveling aspect. Also, BIAB or any gels can create air bubbles, so just when you are applying, make sure to get rid of any air bubbles before you cure it under your light, as they will stay in your client's nail beds, which we don't want. So then after you have cured your client's nails, it's time to take off the inhibition layer, which is just the sticky layer after curing. Okay, now that the BIAB is fully cured, it's time for the secret steps that separates a good manicure from the perfect one, the refining stage. So grab your files. Even for the best application, filing is essential for 2 key reasons. First, structure. We are sculpting the nail's final shape. We need to ensure that the apex is smooth and perfectly centered. Here's a pro tip. If any product has seeped close to your cuticle lines, you must file it off now. Cured gel on the skin is the #1 cause for premature lifting. So second, once you are happy with the shape, it's time to buff. We use a buffer to smooth over the surface after filing. Then it's time for a quick clean. I use IPA and a scrubbing brush just to get rid of all of the debris from the filing that we have just done. Now that we have the perfect canvas, we are ready for top coat or maybe even a colour. So my client just opted for this as her nail colour today. So all we have to do after this is apply our top coat. Although this is a 6-in-1 BIAB, which means there is a top coat included in the formula, as you just see, we did file and refine the nails. So we have technically buffed off the shine from the top coat. So just a quick application of top coat is all that is needed. And then once the top coat is applied and has been cured, we go in for a final refine and file. This just ensures the crisp manicure shape that my client wanted in her appointment today. Lastly, as we did just file again, to refine, I will go back in with my IPA and take off any debris from the filing that I've just done. Now it is time for Aftercare. I do use Aftercare in all of my manicures. I will go in with a cuticle oil and a hand cream. Be sure before applying any cuticle oil or hand cream that you do ask your clients if they have any allergies, as cuticle oil and hand cream can contain some of these allergies, and we don't want to be applying that to our clients if they are allergic. So I finished with a quick little hand massage and we are done. And there you have it, flawless, strong and beautiful BIAB nails, ready to last weeks. If you have loved this tutorial but want to dive in deeper and master every technique and even start offering BIAB to your clients, I've put together a complete accredited BIAB course. All the details on how to enroll are waiting for you right now. Just tap the link in the description box below. It's your steps to becoming a true nail master. Thank you so much for watching. Tag me in your BIAB creations and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!